An animation is a creative way teens use to express the mission of FIRST. Team 103, the 2005 Autodesk winners, have provided us with a short video on how to make a successful animation.
There are 3 steps to having a winning animation. The first is training in the off-season. The second is brainstorming and storyboarding. The third is production and rendering.
Off-season training consists of completing tutorials and creating short animations.
Brainstorming is where the animators collaborate and develop ideas that could possibly be used for the animation. Storyboarding is creating visual aids so those ideas can be executed in the program 3ds Max.
After the storyboards are complete, the next step is to model the objects, texture them, and then animate them. Make sure you leave time for the last step, which is rendering. This can be a very time-consuming process.
Some great 3ds Max tutorials can be found in the tutorials book that came with your 3ds Max software. Alternatively, you can find some other great tutorials online.
Another Autodesk product, Autodesk Inventor, can be used alongside with 3ds Max to import and export models. Sometimes it helps to create a sketch of the object and use it as the background in the 3ds Max viewport. Don't get caught up in detail with measurements. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact, it just has to look good.
When finished producing your animation, it might be a good idea to do a net render, which utilizes the processing power of all the computers you have available to you. You don't even need an authorized version of 3ds Max to be on the computers that you use. You can use an unauthorized version which will allow you to simply do net rendering rather than a full licensed version. An excellent effect to use in your animation is that of particle systems. Here, we used it to add motion and color to the scene.
This part of the animation was imported from Autodesk's Inventor program. We imported the robot and the playing field that was created by our Inventor team. We used ray tracing materials to create the extremely reflective diamond plate and glass materials on the player station.